Hello students, hi everyone. Once again welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Biology. Yes, we are going to look part 13 of linear equation in one variable, which is about solutions of example problems. Okay. Question. Example 21st. Rehana got 24% discount on her frock. She paid rupees 380 after discount. Find the market price of the frock. Since we have to find market price of the frock, so that is unknown quantity. Let the market price of the frock is X rupees. Let us see the relation between discount, selling price and market price. Suppose a company invests rupee 100 to making a shirt. Investment to make a shirt is 100 rupees. Investment nothing but cost price of the shirt. Now company decides markup. That means company decides 50 more rupees on cost price to decide its market price. So market price is 100 plus 50, 150 rupees. Yes, company allows some markup, that is 50 rupees on cost price of the shirt and decides the market price as 150 rupees. Now the shirt is in the market. The salesman allows 20 rupees discount. And sells the shirt for rupees 130. So 130 rupees is selling price of the shirt. Yes, cost price of the shirt is 100 rupees. Then we mark up above cost price as 50 and decides the market price that as 150. Now discount is allowed on market price but not on the cost price. Yes, discount is allowed on market price as 20 rupees. Then selling price of the article is 130 rupees. Here we have a note that discount is allowed on market price MP, and also SP is 130 rupees, that is 150 minus 20. SP of the shirt is 150 minus 20. That is, what is 150? 150 is market price of the shirt minus what is 20, that is discount. Market price minus discount amount, which is equal selling price. Yes, that is selling price is given by the formula market price minus discount. Let us conclude our question with the help of this concept. Therefore, then the discount is, she got 24% discount, 24% off, and discount is allowed on market price, that is X rupees. So Rehana got discount 24% of X rupees, that is 24 by 100. That means for every 100 Rehana got 24 rupees as discount. That can be written as for every 100 24 rupees discount of nothing but multiplication into X rupees, which is equal to 24x by 100 rupees is discount amount. Now the selling price of the frock is, how we get selling price? Market price minus discount. Selling price equal market price minus discount. market price is X rupees minus discount amount is 24x by 100 rupees. Simplified 100, LCM is 100, 100 into x, 100x minus 24x rupees. That is equal 100x minus 24x, 76x by 100 rupees. This is the SP of fraud. But according to question, SP is given by 380 rupees. Therefore, according to question, SP, that is 76 by 100 is equal to what? 380. Since it is also SP of the fraud. So 76x equal to what? Transport denominator 100 from LHS to RHS. We get 380 into 100. Therefore, x equal to what? 380 into 100 by 76. Okay. Now 38 2s are 76, 38 10s are 380, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So what we get? Therefore, x equal to what? 5 into 100 by 1, 500 rupees. X equal to what? 500. What is x? That is the market price of the frock is 500 rupees. Therefore, the market price MP of the frog is equal to x rupees, but x equal to 500, so it is 500 rupees. Okay students, next question, example 22. 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4. Find the number. Yes, 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4. Then we have to find the number. So since we have to find the number, the unknown quantity is the number. Let us suppose, let the required number be x. Let us suppose the required number be x. Then 4/5 of the number. Then 4/5 of the number is equal to 4 by 5 times of x. 4 by 5 times of x. And 3/4. Therefore, 3/4 of the number is equal to 3 by 4 times of number x. And it is given that 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of number by 4. It is given that 4/5 of a number, that is 4/5 of x, is greater than 3/4 of a number by 4. So that means difference of these two is 4. That is 4/5 of x minus 3/4 of x. The difference is what? 4. In LHS we have 5 and 4 as denominator. LCM of 5 comma 4 is their product, that is 20. So multiplied on both sides of the equation by 20. That is 20 times of 4 into x, 4x by 5 minus 3 into x, 3x by 4. 20 times of LHS equal 20 times of RHS 4. Now distribute this 20. 24s are 80x by 5 minus 23s are 60x by 4, which is equal to 24s are 80. But we know that 5 1s are 5 16s are 80, 4 1s are 4 15s are 60. That is 16 into x, 16x minus 15x which is equal to what? 80. 16 minus 15, that is 1x, which is equal to 80. So x value is 80. What is x? That is a required number. Therefore, required number is equal to what? 80. Next question. John sold his watch for rupees 301 and lost 14% on it. Find the cost price of the watch. Solution. Since we have to find cost price of the watch, that is unknown quantity, so let the cost price of the watch is x rupees. Let us find a relation between selling price and loss and cost price. Suppose cost price of the article is 100 rupees. Suppose cost price of an article is 100 rupees. Suppose there is a loss 20 rupees. Loss is always denoted by negative. Suppose there is a loss 20 rupees on selling that article. So what is selling price of the article? That is 100 minus 20, 80 rupees. We have a note that is loss is always calculated on CP. Loss is always allowed on cost price. In this case, selling price is given by, selling price is 80 rupees, that is 100 minus loss 20. 100 is cost price minus loss. Selling price is given by cost price minus loss. So that then the loss is loss on watch is equal to, he lost 14% of the cost price of watch. So cost price of watch is x rupees, loss is 14% of x rupees. What is 14%? For every 100 he lost 14 rupees. That can be written as 14 by 100 of nothing but multiplication into x rupees, which is equal to 14x by 100 rupees. This is loss. Now John sold his watch 301 rupees. That is selling price of the watch is 301. Therefore, SP of the watch is SP is given by CP minus loss. Cost price of the watch minus loss. That is cost price is x rupees minus loss is 14x by 100 rupees. 14x by 100 rupees. So simplify it. LCM is 100. 100 into x, 100x minus 14x, that is 86x rupees. But this is selling price of the watch. According to question, selling price of the watch is 301. Therefore, according to question, selling price 86x by 100 rupees is equal to 301 rupees. Rupees gets cut. That is 86x equal to transpose 100 to RHS 301 into 100. Yes, x equal to 301 into 100 by 86. Equal to, see here, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0. Again, 43 1s are 43 7s are 301. Which is equal to x equal to what? 7 into 50, that is 350. Yes, we get x as 350. But what is x? X is the cost price of watch. Therefore, the CP of the watch equal to what? 350 rupees. Okay. Next question. Example 24. A man had to walk a certain distance. He covered 2/3 of it. At 4 km per hour. and the remaining at 5 km per hour speed. If the total time taken is 42 minutes, find the total distance. We have to find total distance. So, total distance is unknown quantity. Let the distance be, since speed in kilometer per hour, so let us suppose total distance be x kilometers. Total distance be x kilometers. Yes, let us suppose this distance is x kilometers. Let us suppose from A to C, this distance is x kilometer. Now he covered 2/3 of the total distance. Yes, 2/3 of x is denoted by 2/3 of x kilometer. He covered 2/3 of 2/3 of x kilometer with a speed 4 kilometer per hour. 4 kilometer per hour. What is the remaining distance? This is remaining distance. Remaining distance is this part. Remaining distance is this part. Total distance is x kilometer. Already he covered 2/3 of x. Remaining is nothing but total minus. Already he covered 2/3 of x. X minus 2/3 of x, that is 1/3 of x. Since, see here, x minus 2/3 of x. X can be written as 3x by 3. So LCM is 3. 3x minus 2x, that is x. The remaining distance is 1/3 of x kilometer. He covers remaining distance. This is what? Remaining distance. He covered remaining distance at a speed of 5 km per hour. Here the speed is 5 km/h. Let us suppose it is first part and it is second part of the total distance. Yes, let us make a table. First part of the distance, second part of the distance. Okay. Now, distance, this is distance and speed and then time taken. Then time taken. Here is given that to cover from A to C, to walk from A to C, he took 42 minutes. Total time is 42 minutes. But speed and distance are in kilometer, so time should be in hours. Time in hours, that is 42/60 hours. 42/60 hours. Now the distance, first part is 2/3 of x. First part is 2/3 of x kilometer, and second part is 1/3 x kilometer. 1/3 of x kilometer. He covered first part with 4 km per hour speed, and he covered remaining part, that is second part 1/3 of x with 5 km per hour speed. Now time is given by the formula distance by speed. Time is given by the formula distance by speed. Now what is time taken to cover first part of journey? That is distance 2/3 x by 4 hours. It is in hours. Since kilometer gets cancelled, we get only hours. And to cover second part, it takes time is 1/3 x by 5 hours. Yes. Let us simplify it. 2x, 2 into x, 2x by 3, 4 is 12 hour, and this is 1 into x by, both are denominator, 3 5s are 15 hours. Yes, now according to question, to travel first part and second part, he took 42/60 hours. Therefore, let us equate the time, that is time taken to travel first part, that is 12x by 12 hour, plus to travel second part, time taken by him is x by 15 hour. Sum of these two times is equal to 42 by 60 hour. Hour gets cancelled. Now LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. So multiply with 60 on both sides of the equation. That is 60 times of LHS. LHS is 2x by 12 plus x by 15, which is equal 60 times of RHS, 42 by 60. Yes. Now see, 60 gets cut. 60 into 2, 120x by 12 plus 60 into x, 60x by 15, which is equal 42. 12 tens are 120, 15 fours are 10x plus 4x, that is 14x equal what? 42. We have 10x in first term plus 4x in second term. 14x equal 42, x equal 42 by 14. 14 ones are 14 threes are. X equal what? 3. Yes. What is x actually? Total distance. Sum of first part and second part. That is, therefore, total distance is equal to 3 kilometers. As x equal 3, total distance is x kilometer. So total distance is equal to what? 3 kilometer. Okay. Next question. Last question of this class, 25th one example. The numerator of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. Yes. Numerator of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. If 3 is added to the numerator, the fraction is equal to 2 by 3. Find the original fraction. Solution. It is given that numerator of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. So, denominator is unknown quantity. To get numerator, we have to come to know its denominator. So, denominator is unknown quantity. Let the denominator of the fraction is equal to x. Let the denominator of the fraction is equal to x. Then the numerator of the fraction is numerator is 6 less than denominator, then it is x minus 6. Therefore, the original fraction is our required fraction. The original fraction or required fraction is numerator x minus 6 over denominator x. So x minus 6 by x is our required fraction or original fraction. But in the question it is given that if 3 is added to numerator, that is, if 3 is added to numerator x minus 6, then the fraction becomes x minus 6 plus 3 by x, which is, then the fraction is equal to 2 by 3. According to question, if 3 is added to numerator of this fraction, this will be equal to 2 by 3. Yes, simplifying the numerator, minus 6 plus 3, that is x minus 3 by x equal to what? 2 by 3. Consider the cross product. 3 times of x minus 3 equal to 2 times of x 2x. Distribute this 3x minus 3's are 9 equal to x. That is transpose plus 2x to LHS, we get minus 2x, and transpose minus 9 to RHS, we get plus 9. 3x minus 2x, that is x equal to what? 9. Therefore, the original fraction is equal to, actually what is original fraction? That is x minus 6 by x. Now substitute the x value 9, we get 9 minus 6 by 9. 9 minus 6 is 3 by 9. So original fraction is what? 3 by 9. Okay.